from Faith Family and a Farm. We're spending this Memorial Day morning over at Turntime Farms. They're getting ready to do a cattle drive this morning, getting it started before it gets warm, while the cool air is still out a little bit. It is already warm. So they are getting started pretty soon, and
they're coming.
Yes, they are. Oh, I think they'll end up going in here. So anyway, we're going to follow along and show how they do the cattle drive this morning. They've got reels and stuff set up to drive these guys where they need to go. And
they're about to let us in too.
Yeah, these cows.
Look at him!
Are on it. So Matt said he was meeting me at the bottom of the hill. I do not see Matt. I think he's walking.
They might have got trampled.
So it's a fun process to watch. So they're moving them. The cows will be moved from this side of the property all the way over to the other side of the property.
They are being moved.
How they doing?
Moved.
They're being moved.
Moved.
This is not how a cattle drive goes. Alright, got with Matt. I personally know the farm manager out at Turntime. So
really and truly, today you're going to see the grass is greener on the other side. So the cows are going from one of our properties to another one. They just finished off leveling the winter annuals, and now we're going to the 208 side with some spring grass.
And cows are happy to move when they get to...
Happy.
Yep, Effie's over here joining us today. She wanted to be part of it. She was mad at me because I was about to leave her. So she's right now got her hand on two calves, probably the two bottle babies, walking them where they need to go. Hey.
We always said we were just going to trail them.
Alright, you're the mean one. I don't know who the mean one is. What? You guys care about the tacos?
I figured that they would.
Girls walk right in. All the men are on the four wheel. Alright, we're on the mule.
I look too fancy with my sunglasses on.
We've done
country.
That's true. We've done lots of
You know what?
walking. We switched out with Matt a little bit. Got one cow that's old, so she's slow, so she's kind of in the back.
I'm gonna get out one.
The rest of them are all going from point to point.
Here, let me have one.
Let me let Daddy go here.
Dad, come on. I'm gonna walk.
No, stop. Sit down.
Wanna run?
Alright, so
Oh, sorry, we're filming.
we're going the back way to try to catch him, right?
We're just kind of some of the trails a little rough on this one, so where it cuts back on the road, we just meet up with them where that connects with the trail.
We're going on the easier road, although this looks like a roller coaster right here. Effie, you're a good little helper.
You just leave it.
Effie, come on!
Bye, Felicia. Effie, you gotta watch out for snakes.
Come on, baby girl.
Sorry, there's no. I don't
I
even
know,
get the break.
I know,
I tried.
I know. Well, it's okay. Well, this was your school.
What?
Huh?
Baby deer.
Oh, yeah, where is he?
They're everywhere,
Where is
man.
he?
They are everywhere. Right
Can't
now.
mess with it, Effie.
Yeah, don't touch it.
It's like right there where that, I need to put that tape kit up.
How many is there? Two?
One? Don't get too close, Effie.
That is awesome.
I didn't know it was there. It's good cuffing me. I bent that tree down,
yeah.
and it's just there. Hey, your mama
Wait till
leave
you
you?
start walking
Oh my
the,
God, you're
The
gorgeous.
main finger.
So they're to where they're supposed to be already?
They'll have this whole thing.
Oh, why are they walking up that way? Just exploring?
I
while we're here, we'll come check on some baby chicks.
Oh, and we found my bubble gum. It
Yeah.
dropped the
Yeah,
ground.
the most important part of the venture.
Hey guys. Oh, you're so big.
What a pretty day. Same as curious as the little bitty ones are.
The little bitty ones are really curious.